Let us now discuss find three-digit even numbers. So this is an easy problem. You are given an integer array digits where each element is a digit. The array may contain duplicates. Okay. You need to find all the unique integers that follow the given requirements. So the requirements are the integer consists of the concatenation of three elements from the digits in any arbitrary order. The integer does not have leading zeros, so there would be no leading zeros. Now the integer should be even. That means the last element should be the last digits of the digit of the integer should be even. That makes the digit the total digit even. For example, if the digits given digits are 1 2 3, the digits 1 3 2 3 1 to follow the requirements, and they said return a sorted array of unique integers. Now we have 2 1 3 0 and leading zeros should not be present. Now let us see 1 0 2 is a integer, and also 1 0 and 2 are present. 120 120 is present. 130 130 is present. 132 132 is present. 210 210 is present. 230 230 is present. 302 30 and 2. 310 310, yes, 312 320. So every time we got a even number and there are no leading zeros. Okay, the same example is like that is given, but here we got triple two. Why? Because a 2 here, a 2 here, and another 2 here. Now we have the constants which are less. Digits dot length is less than or equal to 100. But what is my intuition is just, I think, how many three digit numbers are there in total. So the answer for that is 100 to 999. So I only need even digits from it. Even numbers from it, and it will also exclude the leading zeros, as if there is any leading zero it won't be a three-digit number. So I only need even numbers from it. So I store these numbers in a vector, like let me name it as events. Now let me just take it, instead of doing it, I just take this number number and I'll count the digit digit frequency, right? And let me name it as current frequency. Now why current frequency? So imagine, just imagine, by taking this example, double two double eight two. So digit frequency is I am storing here. I would store the digit frequency of the digits, like digits of given array in unordered map digit frequency. Okay, now let us look at an example, right? Double two and something like double eight two. Now in the unordered map of digit frequency, I would have the digits. These are the digits, right? Now 2 is for 3 times and 8 is for 2 times. 8 is for 2 times. Now I would iterate from 100 to 999. Now let us see what happens. When I iterate from 100 to 999, every time I take the current frequency. So for 100, the current frequency will be 1 is for 1 time and 0 is for 2 times, right? This is the current frequency. But let us see, can I make this digit out of the given digits? So to know that, we need 1 for at least 1 time and 0 for at least 2 times in our digit frequency, but in the digit frequency, the actual digits we are given with, we have only 2s and 8s. So there is no 1 and there is no 0. So I cannot make 100, and this will not be pushed into our answer. So as I said, answer will be the array, or something like result is the array we will be returning at the end. Now let me take another thing like 2, 8, 2. Now the current frequency will be changed as 2 is for 2 times and 8 is for 1 time. Okay, now let us see. 2 is for 2 times. I need in the digit frequency 2 for at least 2 times. Yes, it is having at least 2 times the digit frequency of 2, and 8 for at least 1 time. Yes, it is having 8 for at least 1 time. Now this will be pushed back into the result. I think you got the intuition for this. Now let me go through to the algorithm directly. Right, simply what I am doing is just iterate, but before that, getting digit frequency. So for that, the code will be unordered map int comma int frequency, digit frequency. Now for auto it in given digits array, here digit frequency of it plus plus. Now after that, the digit frequency is initialized. Now I have to iterate iterate from 100 to 999. 999. Now let us see. For int I is equal to 100, I is less than or equal to 999, I plus plus. Now I have 100 to 999. Now I need current frequency. Unordered map int comma int current frequency. So in the current frequency, I need to take all the elements of this digit and let me name it as, instead of I, number. Instead of I, number, like number. Now how do we get the digits of a number? So to get something like 989, I need to divide it by 10, right? I need to divide it by 10, then I would get 98 and the remainder would be 9, and this 98 will be our number again, then 10 and then 9, then I would get the 8 as the digit. Now 10 and the 9 is our number again, 9, and then I would get 0 and the last digit would be 9. So let me do something like int something like it is equal to, or temp, right? Temp is equal to number. Now while while temp, I would do while temp is greater than 0, I am stopping when I have 0. While temp is greater than 0, I would do something like uh, current frequency of temp mod 10 plus plus, and then temp by is equal to 10. I think you knew how to get the digits of a number. Now I got current frequency. Now I take bool can form is equal to true. Now for current frequency, I have auto the number or the digit it comma what is the count. Now current wait a second, current frequency, right? Current frequency. Now here I have the count of current frequency, right? So if it is lesser in digit frequency, the digit frequency of it, the number is lesser than the count, then what I do is just break. But before breaking, can form should be made as false. Can form is equal to false. Now after that, this for loop will be ended, and then we have, and then we have if can form is equal to true. That means the digits are abandoned, or we have the digits. Then if can form, then result dot push back this number, right? This is how we solve this problem, and at the last we'll be returning the result. Now vector vec vector int result, right? So at the last we'll be returning the result, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it, and if you like this video, do share it to your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.